Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this quick and easy Christmas tree skirt. You can find the link to the writing pattern in the description box. I used acrylic yarn for this project, but you can use any type, any brand or yarn of your choice. This is a number 4 medium yarn. This one is about 454 grams, that's over 900 meters long, and you need 2 of this for a small tree. And some white yarn, an 8mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. This is my best friend when it comes to crochet. I highly recommend it in your crochet a lot. With this, I can crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It helps to protect my finger when I crochet so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. The link is in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. With 2 strings of yarn, make a slip knot. Insert your hook. And make a chain of 40. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and make a chain of 40. To begin the first round, at the end of the chain, that's this one, turn to the back, slip stitch into the back of the first chain, and 1 chain. In the same chain, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Again, into the next chain, single crochet, single crochet into the next chain, and single crochet into every chain. By the end of the round, we still have 40 stitches. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the first round, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain, and cut yarn. To begin round 2, in the same stitch where we did the slip stitch, insert hook, and insert the new working yarn, tie a knot, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a stitch. Skip the next stitch. On this stitch, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, into the next 2 stitches, double crochet, and 1 more, and try to keep your stitches loose. Now that we have 3 double crochet stitches, then double crochet into the stitch that we skipped earlier, this one, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, make sure you pull it all the way up, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. On the next stitch, double crochet, skip 1, double crochet into 3 stitches. One, 2, 3. Now, double crochet into the stitch that we skipped. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Make sure pull all the way up. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. On the next stitch, double crochet. And this is a repeat. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, we still have 40 stitches. And I meet you on the next round. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the top of chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This always counts as a stitch. On the next stitch, increase. So place 2 double crochet on the stitch. One, and one more. 2. Double crochet. Increase. 1, 2, and this is a repeat. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there'll be 60 stitches, and I meet you on round 4. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the top of chain 3, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And now, double crochet into the stitch that we just skipped, this one. And remember, trying to keep your stitches loose. Double crochet into the next stitch. Skip 1, double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet into the one that we skipped. Double crochet, And this is a repeat. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, we still have 60 stitches. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the top of chain 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into the next stitch, then increase. So 2 double crochet on this stitch, 1, 2. Double crochet into 2 stitches, increase. And the repeat is double crochet into 2 stitches, then increase. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 80 stitches. On round 6 is a repeat of round 4. Slip stitch into the top of chain 3, 3 chains. Skip 1, double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then double crochet into the stitch that we skipped. Double crochet into the next stitch. Just like that. Repeat this all around, and I meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, slip stitch into the top of chain 3, 3 chains. Then double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Total 3 double crochet. Increase, double crochet into 3 stitches. Then increase. And repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 100 stitches. As you can see, this pattern is really simple, 2 rounds and repeat. Just continue the sequence of increase on every other round by 20 stitches. I have the total numbers on the screen so that you can check the numbers for each round. And you can stop when it reaches the size you want for your tree. And I meet you at the end of the final round. At the end of the final round is the double crochet round. Join the round by slip stitch into the top of 3 chain. 1 chain and cut yarn. To begin the next part of the pattern, insert white yarn into any stitch, but I'm going to insert into the same stitch. Tie a knot, insert hook, pull up a loop, 1 chain. This round is a single crochet round, and we are going to continue the sequence of increase from the previous round. Last round, I did double crochet into 13 stitches, then increase. So this round is going to be single crochet into 14 stitches, then increase. Increase with 2 single crochet on this round, not double crochet. Your number may not be the same as mine, but just carry on from where you left off from the previous round, and I meet you on the final round. At the final round, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. On the previous stitch, which is the one on the right hand side, this one, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, like this, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Reverse single crochet, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, reverse single crochet, and repeat this all the way around. At the end of the round, after the last stitch, cut yarn and weave in the tails. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!